In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Wells Fargo credit card to the app, providing you with a comprehensive full guide for 2025. Let's dive right in, taking it step by step to ensure you can seamlessly manage your finances on the go. To begin, make sure you have the Wells Fargo mobile app installed on your smartphone. You'll need to have your login information at hand, so if you haven't used the app in a while, it might be a good idea to double check your username and password. Once you're ready, open the Wells Fargo mobile app and sign in using your credentials. This is your portal to managing your cards, accounts, and more, all from the convenience of your phone. Now that you're logged in, look towards the upper left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the menu icon, often depicted as three horizontal lines, known as the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap on this to open the menu. The app's menu is designed to give you quick access to a variety of services and options. Scroll through the menu and select either Account Services or Manage Cards. Both options will get you to your destination, showcasing the app's user-friendly interface, allowing you to manage your financial products efficiently. Once you've navigated to the correct section, search for the option that says Add Credit Card or Link New Card. This is your next step towards linking your Wells Fargo credit card to the app. Tapping this option will prompt you to enter your card details. Here, you'll need to input your credit card number, the expiration date, and the security code, also known as the CVV, located usually on the back of your card. Precision is key here, so take your time to ensure all the numbers are correctly entered. After you've entered all your card details, tap Continue. This triggers the app to review and verify your card information. Wells Fargo security protocols are robust, ensuring your data is protected as the app processes your request. Once the verification process is complete, you'll be taken to a screen where you can review the card information you've entered. Take a moment to go over the details to ensure everything is accurate. If everything looks good, tap Confirm. Congratulations! Your new Wells Fargo credit card is now successfully added to your app. You should now see your card listed under the Accounts section. With the card linked, you can now view transactions, monitor your spending, and manage payments with ease, all from the convenience of your phone. That's all it takes to link your Wells Fargo credit card to the app. As you continue using the app, you'll likely find other features that make managing your finances even more convenient. It's always a good idea to keep your app updated to take advantage of any new features or security enhancements Wells Fargo may introduce in the future.